Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, so hey, we in video back and welcome to videos. What you do and all this? Okay, guys. Now I'm also wanting really long time about shoot and the last by now about shoot and about the codify here too and with the what under sample here too and I'm gonna take from here on the floor here too what here again. Okay, guys, you guys can see this here too. Now about the handle now about the handle here really is again hold that here too of here. And so one is black here too, and different colors really, and have a different colors really down here too. All this, and have some about the and the body inside here too of here, and have some the biggest really no here too. Okay, guys, now about the and the weight. Now about the way what here too. Now much really. Now all of them. Now have a different colors here too. Black and white. Now about the black and the metal here too. What here do again? Okay, guys. And this is what. Now this about the what is about the and what here too. And have a light here too. And with the sound here too. Again, all that here too. All that here. Okay, guys. Now also is the light here too on this. Is this really? You guys can see this and some blue light here too on the video here again. All that about here too. Or here really, and this will have a sound made inside here too. Okay, guys, you guys can hear this here too. Very something here to off here really. Okay, guys, I off the light here too right now. Basically, off here and different colors here too. Now about so and about here too, and I have some black here too. Now about this many years really. Now all time here do again. Okay, guys. Now I will back. Now I will back from here too on the floor here again here. Okay, guys. Okay, now I bought this many years really, and all of them here too. Of here, okay, guys, and come back here too. Coming to off here too, all this and yeah. Okay, guys. What other man is here too? Okay, I really sorry, I take so long. Now what here too of this? Okay, guys, Okay, guys, I know get what you for me off here really. Now I know vision that here again. Now also something extra and equal device here too. Again, all them. This one and this one about this is the and they take a device here too of this. Okay, guys. We can see this. Now about the handle. Now about the handle here really is again hold it here too. And have some pattern that here of this and different colors here too of here, and I have back here too really, and I have inside the body under here too all this, and you can stand here too of here, and then so I have a light and I have some light here too of this. The answer goes really up here too all that. And okay, guys, you guys can see the both light here too right now. You guys can see this here too. You guys can see the both light here too. All this is for the hundreds really, and all of them here too. And this one is working really off here and off the light here too. How many seconds here, guys? Right here. And okay, guys, I do off the light really earlier here too. And one is different and different colors here too. Now about one gray here too. Now about this many here really. Now all them here too of here really, and look at that here too again all this. Okay guys, I forgot from here too. Now I bought this many years really. Now all of them here too. Okay guys, I forgot from here. All this on the floor too. And all this. Okay guys, now I started come back here too. All that and yeah. And come back here too. Come to do a few and yeah. Okay guys. Now I'm the end videos to guys. Answer really. Yang focus is hashtag here on the back what here do any here do and select what here. Now I made up. Now I made up. Now about my video really all day all week. I'm comment down below and now watching videos on next week again. What you do really here do all that. Okay guys. And I did the idea about all day. Yang focus one is hashtag. Okay guys. Now for all day and this one do guys. Yang focus one is buat hashtag here, buat enter like, buat enter comment and share. When this is and drop like into the video of here and peace out.